Shall we start?
Yes.
Yes, we are
Yes,
on.
yes.
Thank
We are
you.
on.
One more thing, if you want to close the camera, you can, but stick to the mobile or whatever device you are using, because this is the practical training, so you have to watch it closely. Okay. So I will share my screen. Okay. And as I'm using this Zoom for the first time, let me know if you are able to see my screen or not. See, okay?
Sujit, just one request.
Yeah.
If you can start practical session after 5 minutes, that will be okay because I'm driving my way back. So 5 minutes पहुंच जाऊंगा मैं. So
You can.
practical वाला part at least 5 minutes तक जरूर मत करना.
नहीं प्रैक्टिकल थोड़ा आगे आएगा, क्योंकि 5-10 मिनट के बाद मैं तब तक धीरे धीरे लेता हूँ आगे. ठीक है?
Thank you भाई, thank you.
Yeah, no problem. So welcome to this WordPress training program. So this program is all about
Hello.
WordPress and website developing.
अच्छा, एक सुजीत जेना करके हैं. हेलो.
Sir, please be on mute.
Yeah. Okay. Welcome to the WordPress training program. This program will be the technical program, and why I have planned to this, because in the Q&A session I saw so many of them are struggling for the blogs and they think that it's very difficult, but it is not that difficult as we people think. So even if we practice for 1 week, then we can completely handle it. And who am I? So my name is Sujit Dhruvacharan Jaina. I am basically from Odisha, but born and brought up in Nasik, Maharashtra. I am the founder and CEO of Jera Infotech Private Limited, which provides technical support to the web hosting industry in US and UK. And I have total experience of 15 years in web hosting. 15 years of web hosting company I'm handling. I'm not my work experience, actually, if you count, it is just for 2 to 3 years. I've stopped working since 2013 or 14 somewhere, practically working. Okay, so what are we going to learn today? So what is domain and what is hosting? So there is 2 terms, domain and hosting. These are 2 different things. Most people think that, okay, domain le liya matlab mera website ho gaya. It's not like that. Domain is just the name. It is just the strings of text that is separated by the dots. For example, facebook.com, google.com, sujitjaina.com. These are the domain names. So domain names basically is just, you have to register it. कम से कम 1 साल के लिए. So minimum period is 1 year. So you have to renew that every year. Okay. And once you miss the renewal, you may lose it forever. So what happens most of the time, for example, I have registered the domain sujitjaina.com, and this domain has become very famous. It has lots of visitors and lots of hits. So if I forget to renew that domain, some companies will purposely take that domain and they will sell it on the higher price, because that domain is already registered and it is already in high demand. So they can do this. So when you register the domain, so make sure you approach to the genuine company like GoDaddy, BigRock, Bluehost, HostGator. Such companies are the big fish in the market. You can register and host your domain with those companies. I want to share one incident here. Mark Zuckerberg's daughter was born in 2018, I guess, and उसने नाम रखा कुछ मैगजीन ऐसा कुछ नाम रखा. So one of the guy from the Kerala, he immediately registered that domain. And he sold it for around 47,000 something, $700. But he didn't know that he was selling it to Mark Zuckerberg. So later on, उसको पछतावा हुआ, यार I could have charged better, more money, but it didn't happen. But see the idea, the people take the domain and they sell it on the higher rate. तो मार्क जकरबर्ग ने उसको खाली 50,000 में खरीद लिया एंड इट वाज वेरी चीप फॉर मार्क जकरबर्ग एनीवे so we will understand what is domain. You have understood the domain. Now what is hosting? Hosting is nothing. Hosting is a computer where you keep your files. Okay. Okay, I will tell you this later. Okay. Domain is the string of text that is issued to access your website and typically broken by the 2 or 3 parts which is separated by the dot like .com, .net, .org, .in. These are the top level domains. TLD means top level domains. And SLD means second level domains. Like .com ke baad .au. So .au is a top level domain and .com is a second level domain. और उसके पहले जो आएगा गूगल दैट इज थर्ड लेवल डोमेन google.com.au ऐसा वो इतना टेक्निकल जाने की जरूरत नहीं है पर थोड़ा आपके अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए मैंने ये बताया है so hosting is an account on your computer. The computer means it's a big computer server that stores your files and you can access through it internet and that is called hosting. So domain and hosting are the two different things and you have to connect the domain and hosting together. So how that connects, that will be a bit technical, but still I want you to understand. It is called name servers, DNS servers or domain name servers. So what happens when you search any website on the on the browser? So for example, you are searching google.com. On browser will send the request to the domain name server and find out in which server it is hosted. And that domain name server will connect to the hosting server. So domain को browser ने पास किया domain name server को, DNS server को, और DNS server ने पास किया वेबसाइट जहाँ पे एक्चुअली होस्ट हुआ है. तो यहाँ से कनेक्शन बनता है और ये बहुत ही माइक्रो सेकंड में बनता है. So I will start with the actual thing right now.
Yeah, Sujit.
Yes.
What do we do if we have doubt? Should we ask now or should we hold on?
You can hold on. If you have doubt till now, then you can ask. Then I will review because practical will start now.
Why I'm asking is because these doubts these things the doubt itself might evaporate in seconds. That is the issue. So then that will not be at all addressed. My worry is that. I'll just tell you a simple thing. You have explained this domain thing.
Okay.
I just wanted to know this hosting part also you have to buy then and there with these people, GoDaddy?
No, that is not necessary. Yeah, you can buy domain from somewhere else and you can buy hosting also from somewhere else. You just have to connect them through the domain name server. Every server has a unique name, unique IP address. So you have on the domain register, suppose you have registered the domain at GoDaddy and you have hosting at sujitjaina.com. Okay, I am the server. GoDaddy is your domain registrar. So what you will say to GoDaddy.com, you will give my IP address and say that GoDaddy, please connect my domain to this website. I mean this server. Got it?
Okay, but then if you have taken it for 1 year and then there is subscription charges after 1 year when you take the domain.
Yeah.
My question is that if you've taken it for the 1 year, you have the time for that 1 year. Should you do the hosting also in that 1 year or it can wait?
Hosting also you have to renew. You have to renew the domain also at the domain register and hosting at wherever you have hosted your websites.
But you should do it if you hold on.
No.
If you do the hosting, can you hold on for more time?
Yeah, hosting companies mostly wait. Like some clients emails me that I am traveling, I am not able to pay, so please hold for 1 week. So we hold for that. But domain registrars, they don't hold.
And a domain is purchased already.
They don't hold.
Is not done yet.
Yeah, in hosting also, if you have not renewed the domain, your hosting, so you can renew it later, but make sure that they don't delete your files. Actually, we wait for 3 months.
Oh, okay.
We wait for 3 months to renew. After once the 3 months is over, then
If you purchase the domain and let's say after 9 months you do a hosting, will be a problem?
no, not a problem.
Okay.
You have to renew the domain at the domain register end after 3 months.
Okay. Fine.
Fine. Let's start. So now you have got the what is domain, what is hosting. I hope everybody is clear. If not, you can please ask me. You can connect the how domain and hosting is connected. That is also clear. Now I will show you practical thing. So this is namecheap.com. This is one of the hosting provider, very big brand, namecheap.com, and I have my sujitjaina.com hosted with them. So this is their dashboard. Okay. So now assume that I have already purchased and all. So now I have to go to the website and domain is also connected. Then I will go to the control panel of sujitjaina.com to my hosting. Okay. Now there is nothing to do with my domain register. It is all about my website hosting. So this is the control panel. So as I told you, I will tell you how to create email address on your website. Okay. So here you can search email. Here is email accounts. Click on it. Here you go. Now you can see this button create. Click here. Now suppose I am want to create a passion@sujitjaina.com. Here you can give your password, probably generate password from here only, so that will not create any further problem. And then you can click the button create. See, passion@sujitjaina.com email address has been registered. And I know some people in my area actually, for one email address creation, they charge 500 to 600 rupees. I don't know why. So, but it is free for everybody actually. When you buy the hosting, you can create your email address also. Now in my package, 28 more email address I can create. Again, I can create an email address. Now I may give it testing@sujitjaina.com. Give the password. Password is protected. Create. Now how you will use this email address? Now here you can see the check mail. You can go and click the button checkmail.com. Sorry, check mail button. So this round cube and this board, you can see these are the two main email softwares, web softwares you can say. So here you can everything like our email only. You can create new message to whomever you want to send the email. Okay, subject, and you type whatever you want, type the text, and you click the send button, and your email is gone. So this part you have understood? Shall I move ahead?
Please.
Okay.
Yes.
Now I'm again back to the control panel. Now I will tell you one more thing. Suppose you have more than one domains. For example, sujitjaina.com or daxmohan.com, ankurpatil.com. I have 3 domains. Okay, so what I can do, I don't have to buy another hosting for separate hosting for separate domains. I can host all the 3 domains in one in one hosting only. Here you can see add-on domains. In this option, here is the option add-on domain. Whatever. Now my basic domain is sujitjaina.com. Now suppose I have purchased this daxmohan.com.
मेरा कर दे वैसे सुजीत, हो
हाँ
सकता है तो कर ही ले।
हाँ ठीक है, कर लेता हूँ। यही है ना?
हाँ
हाँ ठीक है,
GoDaddy
चलो।
से खरीदा है।
Now this domain, I will just click here add domain. See, now domain hosting is created, but what it says looks like daxmohan.com pointed to remote servers. Now what daxmohan has to do, he has to go to his register end. जहां से उन्होंने डोमेन परचेस किया है, वहां पे वो मेरे सर्वर का आईपी एड्रेस देंगे और कहेंगे कि यहाँ पे पॉइंट करो, तो ये उनका डोमेन शुरू हो जाएगा।
तो कर लूं क्या?
हाँ, मैं अभी वो बाद में करेंगे, उसका थोड़ा लॉन्ग प्रोसेस लगेगा, कल करेंगे आप।
नो इशू, नो इशू।
ठीक है। Now this is add-on domain. Now I want daxmohan.com and sujitjaina.com to show one website. Website I have only one, but I want to show same content on both the domain names. So what I will use? I will use Park domain. Okay. This is aliases. Now first it was Park domain. Now it is aliases. Now I will put here daxmohan.com, and again I will add domain. Then what will happen? The daxmohan.com and sujitjaina.com will show the same content. Now this error is showing because I have already added as an add-on domain, and his IP address is also not pointing to this server. That is why this error is coming. क्या होता है कि बहुत बार अलग अलग डोमेन के लिए लोग अलग अलग चार्जेस लेते हैं और बहुत ज्यादा चार्जेस हो जाता है। तो आप इतना ध्यान रखिए, जब आप होस्टिंग लेते हो तो कम से कम 3 डोमेन तो आप होस्ट कर ही सकते हो। ठीक है, मैंने एड ऑन डोमेन, पार्क डोमेन बता दिया। अब मैं क्रिएट करना चाहता हूँ सब डोमेन। नाउ व्हाट इज सब डोमेन? अभी जैसे मैं ब्लॉग बना रहा हूँ, I am trying to make a blog. Now I have only one domain, sujitjaina.com. So I will create a subdomain like blog.sujitjaina.com. What is the name of the subdomain? Blog. On which domain? sujitjaina.com. And just click here. The email is created. I mean, the link is created. And just hit create. Give a moment. It is getting created. See, blog.sujitjaina.com has been created. Okay, now I will install my blog, WordPress blog, on this subdomain blog.sujitjaina.com. So I'm going back to the main dashboard. Now here I will just find WordPress. This is the WordPress. So these are already my domains and subdomain and subfolder. I have already installed WordPress. Now I will install fresh for you on my blog.sujitjaina.com. So I will click here, install button. Okay. Now here you can see the option Sujitjaina. I will select blog.sujitjaina.com, and see here is one more directory. If I select this directory, what will happen? The link will be blog.sujitjaina.com/Amazon. So your WordPress will go on that Amazon folder. So, but I am installing on blog only. So I will remove this. Now site name. Same goes with site description. Admin, you can change the admin username, I mean. Okay, now password should be the automatic generated. Here you can see the key. You can just click, it will generate as many passwords as it can. Okay, so I will save one password. You can use your own password also, but that is not recommended because WordPress is mostly used web software and also mostly attacked. All the Trojan viruses, phishing, these all types of viruses are mostly attacked on WordPress sites only because WordPress needs regular updates and this some people don't update their WordPress sites. So make sure you have the strong password only. Now this is not very much important. You can just click on install. So now it is getting installed. Okay. Now you can see, congratulations, the software was installed successfully. Administrative URL is blog.sujitjaina.wp admin. I will tell that later. Now let's try. I will try my domain name, blog.sujitjaina.com. Let's see how it looks. Now here it says your connection is not private. Okay, because it is not, HTTPS is not added. So what is HTTPS? Let me tell you. You can see this positive SSL written here. SSL certificate is installed. Okay, so that means in my my hosting provider, it already provides me the secure socket layer. So this is SSL is used for secure sites. Mostly, if you are going to make any payments on your website, so make sure the above URL on the browser starts with HTTPS only. If it is not showing any HTTPS or not showing the log sign like this, you don't make any transactions over there. So that site is compromised or trying to hack your details. So please keep this in mind whenever you are making payments, especially payments. See, this log sign is available over here. Okay. So my hosting provider is
Log sign means it's HTTPS.
HTTPS. Yes, log sign is means HTTPS. Okay, and my hosting provider is giving this for free. So my blog.com, okay, is not, because it takes some time to assign the HTTPS. So in such case, you can avoid right now. If your hosting provider is giving it for free, you can avoid this right now. Okay.
How much time it takes to update?
Yeah.
HTTPS. How much time it takes to update HTTPS?
Normally, we say that normally it takes 12 to 24 hours, but for the safer side, we say that 12 to 24 hours, but you can check after 1 hour or 2 hours. It depends on the hosting provider whether a technical service available or not, because they have to assign it manually. No? The ones I've created this subdomain, the email has gone to them. So now they know they have to allow it. So they will just click one button and it will get installed. But HTTPS to take effect in all over the internet, it will take 12 to 24 hours. Is that clear for you?
Yeah, clear.
Thank you. So now my blog is installed, WordPress is installed on blog.fujijena.com. Now you don't have to log in through this control panel every time. You can log in to the WordPress control panel through this blog.fujijena.com, whatever your domain name is, /WP admin. Now it is giving error because of the HTTPS thing only. But till then, what we can do, I have another this is my website, and I have installed in Amazon folder. Now you can see this is my WordPress site. Okay, this is for temporary. I was just practicing. So when I have to log into the control panel of this any WordPress, so you have to type the URL and add wp-admin admin. So it will take you to this login page. Now see, now I'm trying to log in, but my password is not working. So you can click here, lost your password. So use whatever email address you have used, get new password, and it will get. But I have not used any password, that's why it is not created. So let's start again. I am installing one more because this HTTPS has not been installed, not been activated, so it may take time. So I will install on the plain domain. Now https://fujijena.com. Now I will create here. Now I have given the folder name, and this folder name will automatically get created on my hosting. Password, I will copy the password, install. So this is the dashboard of WordPress. Okay, so WordPress has been installed, and I have logged into the control panel back end of the WordPress. Now these are the settings where we have to make some changes so that you can have the smooth running your website or blog on the browser. Okay, so first let's start. Here you can see the settings. Click on settings, general settings. Now you have to give the name site title. Probably it will the domain name. It will be your domain name only. And if you have any tagline, you can give it. Okay. Now WordPress URL will be okay, same site. Sometimes it may show something else. Make sure that you correct it. It is https:/yourdomain.com on whatever folder it is installed on. Everything is okay. Now here you can choose the time zone. UTC 5 plus 5:30 is the Indian time zone. Either here. Okay. Date format. I will select this one. Time format. And save changes. Okay. Now, after this setting, this setting is important. After this setting, you have to you have given site title, everything, tagline, URL, this admin email address also important. Is if you want to change some passwords, like give whatever email address you are using. Means already Gmail का पासवर्ड यूज करते होंगे, जो रेगुलर यूज करते हैं वही दो, ताकि पासवर्ड आपका जब कभी गुम हो जाए या तो रिसेट करने का मौका मिले तो उसी ईमेल एड्रेस पे आपको पासवर्ड मिल जाएगा. Okay, now there is one more option. Now WordPress is installed, setting general setting is done. Now one more setting is there, permalinks. You can skip all this writing, reading, discussion, media. These settings you can skip. Come to permalinks. Click on the permalinks and see in common settings, choose post name only. Okay, so that whenever you will make a post, so it will look like your domain name and slash your post name. If you use any of such other, so it will not be good for users also. They will not understand what is the link of the post, and Google will also not able to track the record of your performance. So उनको ये जो लिंक है गूगल को वो डिफिकल्ट होगा वो ट्रैक करने के लिए कि हिट्स कहाँ से आ रहे हैं, कैसे आ रहे हैं. सो मोस्ट यूज दिस पोस्ट नेम ओनली. ओके, save changes, no other changes here, only post name. Select post name and save changes. Okay, now this is done. Now get back to the dashboard. Now you can see the view site. Right click, open with new tab. So this is how it looks. Okay, now we will change this theme. What is theme? Theme is nothing but it will change the display. There are too many things. Come to appearance. Click on themes. Now you can select, these are the default themes. Okay, now click on add new theme. You can find tons of themes over here. Popular theme, latest theme, favorite theme, and you can see the demo. Okay, now for example, this is the theme I want to install, but I want to check how it looks, so I will click on preview. So this way your blog will look, and it doesn't look good, so cancel. Let's try this one. So this is the type of your blog will look. So you can select any one of them. My favorite, if you ask, go for Ocean WP or DV. Your website will look this way. See, इसका rating भी बहुत ज़्यादा है, 4,800 ratings and 5 star. So this is very customizable and free.
तुम्ही इकडे आले परत.
Hello.
तुम्ही आवाज कमी कर जागा होती.
Suvarna.
Wait.
Please mute. So you can see the ratings also. This is the very famous theme. So just install and click on activate. Yes, now it is activated. Now I will refresh my website. Now see, the look has changed. So now come back to the dashboard. Now we have installed the theme. Now we will go to the plugins. Installed plugins. We will click on install plugins. Now we will select these plugins. First, we will deactivate it. And then we don't need these plugins actually. So that's why we are deleting it. First deactivate and then delete. Okay, now here, okay, my website is secured, but if it is not secured, what you can do, you can go here and add new plugin. In plugins, add new plugins, and you can search here for SSL. So see, this really simple SSL. These are some good provider, security service provider. So you can use any of them. Go with the most ratings. Install one and just activate it.
Can I ask one question?
Yeah, sure, sure.
Yeah, so when we install all this plugin, it will occupy some space on the hosting server also.
Yeah, obviously it will.
Okay. And how much generally the space are given by the hosting server?
See, that depends on how much space they are providing. But if you go with the Namecheap or Bluehost, you will at least get not more than 10 GB, I think.
Okay, 10 GB minimum.
Yeah.
Generally, they give 10 GB.
Some are also there. If you go with some reseller account, they will give you $1, sorry, 1 GB account only, and 1 GB also enough. But go for higher side.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Sujit, I'm Yogesh here. I also have one question.
Yeah, sure.
I have a website and I have a WordPress separate account. Can I link both together or how it is?
Sorry, I didn't get your question. You have?
I have one website and a long time back I created account on WordPress also for blogging.
Okay.
Can I connect both or how it is? Or
Yeah, you can connect. You can on your website only. You can install one more WordPress.
okay.
You can just create a folder. Yeah, like I did sujitjaina.com/Amazon. I showed the folder. You can create from another folder and you can just install in that folder.
Okay.
You can install how many times. I mean, how you need to check with the hosting how many databases they allow you. How many times they allow you to install such softwares. If you are means more. For example, they allow you 10 and you have already installed 10, then you have to delete one, the previous one, then you can install new one.
Okay. Thank you. I'll check.
Yeah. So we have activated the SSL also. Okay, so this is the really simple way to activate SSL. You don't have to pay any extra money to any developer or any service provider. You can just install the WordPress and install this plugin and it is done. Okay, now I have shown you the general settings also, permalinks also. Now appearance, themes, okay. Theme, I have shown you how to activate. I have shown you appearance and themes. Then you have selected the themes. Then you have activate the theme. Now your website has been changed. Now we will come to pages. Okay. So you can see here the pages. Now we have to create more pages on your website. Just click on the pages. Server is running slow, I think. So here you can see the sample pages also, privacy policy, sample page. Okay. Now what I will do, I will create new page. Suppose I want to create a page that calls a disclaimer. I will see here you can see add new. Give the title, disclaimer. Then for example, okay, I will try to write something. For example, this is what I have written. Okay. And you can see the preview over here. Preview in the new tab. So here you can see the page has come disclaimer. Okay. Then publish. Again, you can view the page. So here the disclaimer has been, so this is the test page. Okay. For better understanding, I will create one big page only, so that will help you better. Just a moment. Just, for example, this is my content of the page. Just copy it. So this has become the content of my page. What you can do, for example, now this is already linked. For example, definition of the importance of the workplace. You have to link this and you have to send to another page. So what you can do, select this and you will see this link icon. Click here, then you can, for example, you can give any URL. Okay, I'm just for example, I'm giving this and update. Okay, now I will view the page. Now, when I will click this definition and importance in workplace, this page will take me to the facebook.com. You can redirect anything to wherever you want. Mostly what happens, you can see the gives some special what I can say information, and that information is available in another site. So you can just put the link over here and just redirect it to that another site. Is that clear till here? Any questions? Are we going good?
Yeah, Sujit.
Yes.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
इधर गया भाई. Okay. So we have completed a login to dashboard, general settings, appearance, themes we have selected. We now know how to create the page. Now I will show you how to create the menus. Sorry. Okay. Dashboard. Now you know how to create pages. I will make one more pages. Add pages. Add new page. Okay. Now this page. Let's say this is about us. Okay. Then again you page the text. You can whatever tell about yourself, and then click on publish. Okay, you can also use a picture over here if you want to put your picture. Then set featured image, select any file, any picture of yours, and then just hit publish. And once you publish, the page is ready. View page. Now about us page is also there. Okay, now I will tell you how to create posts. Here you can see the posts. Click on posts. Now this is the default post is already over there. I will delete it. Move to trash and apply. Now here is add new post. Click on add new. Now here you can give the title. For say example, you are writing a travel blog. You went to Dubai. Okay. Okay. This is the subject, and this is the matter. What have you have written? You can insert the pictures as I said. So hit publish. And then your blog is ready, and this will be on your home page. So let's check it out. This will be the heading, and these are the contents, and you can see how you want to read the blog. So I can read, and if anyone wants to reply or comment to the blog, they can post a comment from here. Okay. Now let's make a category. Here you can see appearance, and here widgets. Now here in the main site, you are not seeing any menus. Now we will create the menus. Okay. Now from here, appearance, widgets, this page will appear, and from pages, click a drop down, and here you can select left sidebar and add widgets. That's it. Now let's see what the changes have been made. अभी तक हमने कोई ये पेजेस बनाया नहीं है. पेजेस तो बनाया है, लेकिन मेनू बनाया नहीं है. तो we will try to create a menu. इधर क्या मेनू? हाँ सॉरी, इधर ये मेनू widgets के नीचे menus. Okay, now first मैनेज द लाइव। अब ये जो थीम है, हर थीम का अलग अलग ये होता है, क्या उसको बोलते हैं, सेटिंग्स अलग अलग होते हैं। नाउ आई एम वेयर, मैं एक मेनू बनाता हूँ, इसका नाम हम रखेंगे कॉन्टैक्ट अस, क्रिएट मेनू। ओके, यहाँ पे हमने पेजेस बनाया था, अबाउट अस, डिस्क्लेमर, सैंपल पेज। तो ये हम ऐड टू मेनू करेंगे। Save menu, and let's see what changes have been made. Now see, you can see the about us, disclaimer, sample page. हमने क्या किया, जो pages बनाए थे, we have added it to the menu. So that's why पहले ये यहाँ पे नहीं था. I will remove it again so that you can understand. Remove. Again refresh. Now see, यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं है मेनू में. Menu is, there is nothing in menu. Now I am creating again. So in appearance, you go to menus. Now you will see all the pages we have created before, about us, disclaimer, and sample page. You select all and add it to menu. So now what is happening? Okay, so save menu. Refresh the page. Now you can see the menu. Okay. यहाँ तक सब ठीक? All good?
Sujit,
Yes.
so I have a question because I am very new to this WordPress.
Okay.
This WordPress.org and WordPress.com, they are two different things, right? The .com is for hosting and .org is for blogging. Is it two different things?
See, this WordPress.org and WordPress.com. WordPress.com is a company name. Okay. WordPress.org, I think you can post your blogs over there. But
Okay.
frankly, I never use that WordPress. I never logged into the WordPress.org or WordPress.com. What we do, we tell people, we encourage people to have your WordPress on your own website so that you can post your your blogs on your own website. And if WordPress.org is a third-party software, and there you will not find any other options. Whatever they have, you have to just write the text and post it. Then you will not find any options of changing the themes or changing the colors and all. So this is more secure way and personal way, personal attachment with this blog.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
So I think if I go more, it will be very technical, and I'm not sure if you really understood or not.
Better not to go more technical, I think.
Yeah, it's very technical, but frankly, it is not that hard. Once you log in, if you log into this, you will understood. There is nothing hard in this. This is like playing with the mobile. Same, we buy a new phone and we don't have any idea about when, but we play, we look at the features, we try new things, and within few seconds or few minutes, we know how to do it. So WordPress is also the same software, and we just have to play with it something. And yes, you can do it. But my intention for this program was that you don't have to worry about the WordPress thing or website thing. This website building is not so hard. Even if you can hire some people, you can hire some developer, but make sure they don't charge you so much. If let me ask you, what do you think? I know you found it very technical and all. So if you go, if you come to me and I show you itna karna padega, aisa karna padega, how much I should charge? What is your
Sujit, whatever you say.
No, whatever is अगर लोगों मैं बोलता हूँ लोग इतने तो चार्ज के लिए किसी को 27,000 बोलते हैं, किसी को 50,000 भी बोलते हैं और देते फ्री में सब कुछ, मतलब जो
Normally 30 to 40,000 they charge.
Yeah, I know they charge 30 to 40,000 also.
Yeah.
But don't go for 30 to 40,000, and if they are building your website on WordPress.
Yeah.
Okay. WordPress themes are available for $50, not more than $50 or $60 also, but nothing more than that. And you say to the developer, okay, I will buy the theme whichever I like and I will give it to you, and you just design, and then ask him how much he will charge. That will also depend on what type of theme and how much work and how much what type of website do you want. But how I look at you all, we are all trying to develop our personal brand. So, and not more than 5 pages. Homepage, about us, contact page, these 3, and one is the terms of service like privacy protection and all. So these 5 pages are enough for us.
So whatever you showed in the demo, I mean, the presentation, so much is enough.
Yeah, that is enough. That is enough.
How do you upgrade WordPress? Like you said, some older version, if we are, a lot of attacks happens.
Yeah, what happens?
How do you upgrade? How do you download the latest or upgrade to the latest?
You will receive an email whenever there is an upgraded version of WordPress. You will receive an email on your registered email address wherever while installing WordPress or whatever email you have used, you will get that alert over there, and you just have to click the link, and everything is automatic.
Okay.
And we as a hosting provider, we take care also. We also take care. What we do, we upgrade the WordPress on the server level so that you don't have to face any problems. Even you have to manually upgrade it, but we also upgrade from the server end so that attacks are, we can deny some attacks on your websites. After that, you can upgrade anytime.
Yeah, how do you take backup? For example, we have created this page, everything, like just to prevent, if anybody attacked or something went wrong with the website. How do you take a backup and how do you restore it when we have to restore back?
Yeah, let me show you. Let me show you practically. So I have logged into my control. You have to log into the control panel. Okay. Where I have showed you how to add your domain, how to create email address, and that control. See, this is the
is CMS. CMS, what you're talking.
Yeah. Here, find backup wizard. Here you just have to click backup, and while restoration, you just have to click the button restore. That's it.
Thank you. That way we can do it. Sujit, just tell us what should be the reasonable price if it is not 30 or 40?
The reasonable price should be not more than 7,000 rupees.
So that includes the hosting also, or and domain, or
with hosting and with domain for the first year.
Okay, and the subsequent year only we need to renew the hosting and domain.
Just a moment. Yeah, tell me.
So subsequent year,
okay,
we will also have to renew the sorry, that hosting and domain.
Yeah. When you renew, you pay for hosting and domain and nothing else, because work is done.
Yeah, only hosting and domain. How much is it charged?
Not getting you. Come again.
Without designing, only hosting and domain, how much generally the charge is for the 1 year?
See, from GoDaddy or somewhere you can buy for nearly about 1200 rupees, and same for the hosting also. So 25,000 is enough for a year to host a domain and with your hosting.
Yeah.
And rest,
Can you repeat the amount?
25 max 25,000 2500 rupees. For
Yeah,
one-
1 0 made a difference. That's why.
Yeah. 2500. 2500 रुपए में एक साल के लिए होस्टिंग और डोमेन आ जाता है.
Okay. Thank you.
और मैंने जो 7,000 बोला था, तो 3-4 हजार रुपए वो काम के लिए लगता है, one time only. So, and I'm not selling it right now anything, but anytime in future also, if anytime you want some to develop this website with hosting, you can contact me. I will, only for PPM family, I will do it for 4,999 only.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, Sujit. Thank you very much.
And there was one more question in Q&A, the how to get the testimonials, right? So let me share one thing with you.
Yes, Sujit, one more question. Some
Yes,
people are telling that they are spending 25 lakhs, 30 lakhs on website and all. Just tell me, where is this 30 lakhs being spent? Because this looks something different.
30 lakhs is like if you are creating website like Amazon.com, Flipkart, Facebook, where lots of technical peoples are required, lot of features.
Basically, I think e-commerce website.
Yes, e-commerce. No, e-commerce is also, if you're trying to create e-commerce, then there is also option in WordPress. There are ready-made themes you can just install on your website, and your website, your e-commerce store is ready within few clicks. So before you going for any other option, designing part, you please check these options first.
Now, I'm talking about, let's say, if you look at the website of, let's say, Tony Robbins, is that the amount that would have been spent on that, or is it something else?
Yes, that will cost that much amount.
All right, thanks.
So I am sending you one link over here in the chat box. If this session was something valuable, then I would like to get some 2 words from your side to this link right now, if possible. Then I will share one more thing with you.
Sujit, yeah, thanks very much for this session. I know this is very technical, but you explained it very easily. I mean, made it very easy for us.
I hope so. This is the first time I am explaining something technically to someone. I never, anyway. Yeah.
No, the flow was good, so understandable. Yeah.
Sujit, where is the link?
I have sent it to the chat box.
Can you send once again?
Yeah, I've sent it. What the link?
So reinforce your identity. That is the group, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Mila.
Now, if you're trying to create a blog, so I just want to share something so that it will be easy to for you to create a blog. Before you create a blog, do some research, like on what topic you are going to make a blog. For example, I'm making a blog on some travel. Travel is the most popular, so let's take some different. Okay, I'm making a blog on some car, new car that is coming. Any car, I want to write a blog on the car, that particular car. So what I will do, I will research some few websites about the car. Then I will make the list. What list you have to make, I will write it down over here and we share the screen also. For example, if you're making a blog of any car, so price comes, then photos of the car is necessary, videos if possible, then car specification. Then what comes? Features. Then if you find any reviews and some FAQs about that particular car. And conclusion, let's say. So based on these topics, you can any topic, you first write down these points and you try to search what people are looking for. People may be looking for reviews, people are looking for the specification of that particular car, features. So you make sure you write all these descriptions and then you post this in your blog, so that your blog will become one shop, one-stop shop for everything. People will not go any
One-stop solution.
Yeah, one-stop solution for review for another website, FAQs for another website, specification for another website. You can, anything you want to write a blog, do this research, take these points, and you find, and you can make this blog. And if you want photos, pictures, there are some websites like, I will show you, unsplash.com. Are you able to see my screen? This unsplash.com is very famous. You can have free downloads, whatever high quality images or there, download for free. People, okay, like travel. All these pictures are for free, download for free. Let's say car, different types of car. All these are for free. You can download any of them for free and use it on your blog, and you will not face any consequences. No copyright issues. It's unsplash.com.
Any suggestion for small videos where is no copyright issue?
Sorry, what copyright issues?
Any suggestion for small video clips, free download?
Free downloads from there only. Also, you can find some free downloads. Let me check videos. Just a moment. I will give you some more websites. Yeah. I'm giving you a few more websites. Copying them on the notepad first. These are some of the famous websites where you can download for free videos and images for your blogs. And my advice is don't write blogs without any pictures. Use pictures. Definitely use pictures on your blog. That will attract. That will make attractive your blog, and also people will hold on your blog for more time.
Thanks, Sujit.
Sujit, can you just give an idea about monetization from blog, if you have an idea?
Okay, if you want to monetize your blog, okay, let me give you one more idea, if that works. See, you can use the blogs as a funnel also. How with organic leads you can generate from Facebook. I will go to my Facebook page. Just a moment, I will share the screen as well. Now this is my Facebook page. Now here banner, I have not written anything, but you can create a banner over here. Okay. For example, I will upload some photos. Now to this, sorry, just a moment. Load. You can save these changes, okay? And here you write something like for time being, I'm saving it. Okay, now once you click over here, you can write the text. For example, your niche is making a woman sales, encouraging women for sales. So you can write here, I help people, women especially, to become to I help women to empower them for sales or whatever, and just give a button over there, click here. I will give you a live example. Why shouldn't I? Just give me a moment so that I will give you live.
So what you're saying is that the banner, if you have an icon put, then
yes,
you know, it will automatically go to the blog. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, I'm telling you how to do it.
Okay, okay.
Okay, I got the banner. Cover photo. Now see. Start your business online. This is my previous one. I am just using for that. Start your business online without any inventory capital or wasted years of learning. And I have given the button over here. But this button doesn't work on cover page actually. But if someone clicks here, so it will go to this, and here you can give the for example, done editing. Okay. Now when they will click here, they will find nothing, but they will find this linktree.com, my domain or your blog. Then people, now this is, you can click over here and then you will redirect to the your blog. Okay. And in that blog, always try to use that link, that click here or select any sentence, select any word, and mark it, make it permalink. That if they click on that link, that they will redirect to your website or whatever, or they will go to the your Google form. So there they can fill the form and they will be connected with you.
No, Sujit, just want to understand. See, what you're saying is that in the cover page, if you have, let's say, a link is a link, you can paste a link on the cover. Is what you're saying?
Link.
That is possible in YouTube banner. You can add links, but not in Facebook.
Not Facebook. Facebook is not allowed for.
So where would you put the link then? Where would you put the link?
You can put in your profile.
In your profile only.
Yeah. So profile is okay, fine. No, I was thinking it can be put on the banner. I had a doubt. That's why.
No, on banner, Facebook doesn't allow.
Okay.
Again, I'm giving you example. First, upload the cover photo. One cover photo is uploaded. Save changes. Click on the cover photo. Now here you can see on the right side. Click on edit button. Here you give the link. Done editing. Now this link will remain here. When people will click on your cover photo, you have to create that artificial button over there. Click here to get started. Then people will click there on your cover photo. Then they will see this link and they will click on this link, and this link will be of your blog. Okay. Then on your blog, you can write. You can save the give the links to connect with you. Like Google form or something else. So this way you can get a leads over from this Facebook. And for monetizing purpose, you just have to use in your different channels like Facebook and YouTube. So from there you can get a traffic, and you can also there are some guest blogs. What you can do, you post the blog on your website and you copy the link and you paste the links to another guest blogs, means you as a guest, you can post your blog on their website. So this way you can drive the traffic. And trust me, it is not very easy. It takes a lot of patience. Means most people, they just give up while doing this blog things and all. Who just want to earn from this blogging only, they definitely do it. But I don't know how possible it is for us. Guys, was it helpful?
Yes, man, it was.
Yes, yes.
This is very informative, very good
Very
informative
helpful,
session.
Sujit.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sujit.
So
Thank
we
you.
are very happy that we can now straight away hand it over to you. You will take care of everything.
Yeah.
See, actually, in the Q&A session, somebody asked me how to get the testimonials. So I didn't tell you, but practically I tried to see if that works or not. Before going to the finishing the session, I told you to, I shared the link and asked to give a testimonial right now. So later you can maybe forget, I don't know, it is a habitual thing that once it's over and we don't give testimonial, baad mein karenge. So ask for the testimonial right now. So this is a temporary page, so
I'm done. I'm done.
So I have got few testimonials and I can use it on my pages. This is temporary to show you. And this, I don't use this page just for you. I have done this.
But then, Sujit, I gave the testimonial just now, few minutes ago. So it redirected to some different site, it seems. Or that got captured in the Facebook page itself. How is it?
Oh, I have given you the page only, no? The one of
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. See, just a moment.
No, I thought you gave your blog first, some blog on your WordPress, but then I think it is just Facebook only. Yeah.
You can see
it is Facebook page only.
Facebook page.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, Facebook page, no post, nothing. ऐसे ही मैंने बनाया था उससे पहले. I have renamed the name actually for today. Then I asked you to take this testimonial, and you can also do the same way. While in a webinar only, you can ask people to share their thoughts, whatever it is, and get the testimonials. And then last का part बाकी रखो हमेशा. ये testimonial
bonus.
Yeah.
Sorry, I wrote in the reviews. Sorry, my testimonial went in reviews. That's why I got confused.
No, that's okay. I just want to show you the way.
Correct.
No, actually मैंने कुछ बाकी रखा नहीं था. मैंने बोनस भी पहले दे दिया था. ईमेल मैंने मेंशन नहीं किया. मैंने पहले दे दिया सब कुछ. मैंने सिर्फ ऐसा यूज किया कि ये लिंक पे बोनस टेस्टिमोनियल दे दियो और and I will share you one more important thing. That's it.
Great.
You can have testimonials, and I will do one more session in future. Not in maybe next few weeks. I will show you practical way how you can get organic leads to your website and how to create a landing page on your own website, and that will be very easy. Okay, now I have shown you how to create the blog. Now these settings, I will not show you how to do all these settings. I will directly show you how to create the landing page on your website. That's it. And you can have leads, the email address of the potential customers.
Sujit, is the recording available?
Yeah, I'm recording it also.
Okay, so it is available to us for our reference.
Please upload on your YouTube channel.
Sure.
Okay.
Sujit, this Facebook page, can you just show where to write this so that people can do it? I think some of them have not done because of that.
You mean you want me to share the link again?
No. Just you can show where it should be written.
Okay.
Link is there. Link is not an issue.
See here.
Yeah.
Send message.
If you click on the link, where it goes and then where you have to write. That's all. So you can start by clicking the link itself.
Go to the link, click on the comment. That's it.
Comments.
Okay, comments. हाँ ठीक है नहीं because वो पता नहीं है ना कहाँ लिखना है.
अब ये तो पेज हो गया. What you can do, you can create one thread on your group, on your Facebook profile as well. अब ये मेरा टेस्टिंग मोड में था इसलिए मैंने पुराना वाला पेज को रीनेम करके ऐसा बना दिया उसको. But you can use it on your profile and ask people to comment on it. You can do it on LinkedIn. You can do it on Facebook.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah.
So guys, any questions?
Sorry,
It
Sujit
was,
sir,
it was, what, yeah, Pushpendra, बोलो.
हाँ, I joined little late. वो क्या करना है उस पेज पे जाके?
Testimonial देना है.
Right. Okay.
मतलब मैंने एक ऐसे ही मैंने एग्जांपल दिया, यानी कि मैंने ट्राई किया. सेशन खत्म होने से पहले लोगों से टेस्टिमोनियल ले लो. ठीक है, तो सेशन खत्म होने से पहले टेस्टिमोनियल ले लेने का, फिर बाद में थोड़ा पार्ट रखने का, वो डिलीवर करने का, फिर आपको टेस्टिमोनियल भी मिल गया और लोगों को जो चाहिए वो भी मिल गया, तो दोनों का काम हो गया. क्योंकि टेस्टिमोनियल सर मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट. टेस्टिमोनियल होगा तो ही वर्थ है, नहीं तो वो होगा ना जंगल में मोर नाचा किसने देखा.
श्योर सही बात है.
यार हमने देखा है.
हमने देखा भाई.
हाँ, इसलिए तो अभी कल को तुम बोल सकते हो कि नहीं मैंने जंगल में मोर देखा ही नहीं, तो मैं दिखा सकता हूँ. मुझे इन लोगों ने नाचते हुए देखा ऐसा.
Yes, yeah, sure.
And I must compliment on your dressing. You are looking very great.
अरे थैंक यू. नया शर्ट किया, हमेशा व्हाइट शर्ट पहनता था मैं, वो नया शर्ट लिया.
White is good यार. White is also really good. Absolutely
White
no
में
doubt
आप
on
मस्त लगते हो वैसे. But this is
White को डाई कर लिया इन्होंने.
नहीं मैं व्हाइट.
ये फोटो क्या? ये फोटो जो आ रहा है बार-बार, what is this photo? Something a painting kind of photo.
वो मेरा नहीं है, शायद किसी का प्रोफाइल पे.
Sorry, वो मेरा है वो मयूर है.
अच्छा.
Thanks a lot, Sujit. It is a great session, and we will have our. I think you can have the second session, maybe whatever you are saying, the next part of it.
Yes.
That can be done a little later, but then this is good, certainly good, worth it. So thanks a lot, and over to others for their feedback. They can always say.
I could give a feedback on the energy and the dressing sense only because I missed the major part.
Okay.
Sorry for coming late.
Actually, just me, I was not. I was very nervous while doing the session also, and पता नहीं.
But you look very confident, man. That's
Yeah,
all.
you looked a great deliverer. मतलब your energy is great.
We didn't see you being nervous at all.
Okay.
Yeah, you are very calm and cool.
It was very nice.
Yes, really.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sujit. Thank you.
And,
Thank you very much.
Very helpful.
Thank you for joining.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Start the weekend. Bye-bye.
And Sujit has also one more thing. He's also. I will send my separate testimony also, Sujit. Okay.
Sure. Thank you.
Take care then. Bye-bye.
Bye. See you guys.
Bye.
See you soon with another session.
Thank you, Sujit. Yeah.
So 10x group आ जाइए, अपना मीटिंग है 9:30 को, आ जाइए.
Yes. Same link. Yesterday's link.
Yeah, अभी भेजता हूँ.
चलो मैं भी अपने ग्रुप से करता हूँ मीटिंग करता हूँ. ठीक है.
Bye.
Okay. Bye bye. Take care.